Welcome back to Foneazy channel. Just got a new iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro? Want to fake your location if you play location-based games or social media like Pokemon Go, Monster Hunter Now, Snapchat, or Tinder? In this video, I will teach you how to easily fake your location on iOS 17. We'll use a tool MockGo to do this in 1 minute. You can get the link in the description. After installing MockGo, run the application, then connect your iPhone to your Mac. Then follow the steps to enable developer mode on your iPhone 15. Your iPhone will be rebooted to turn the developer on. Then, input your Mac password to authorize MockGo to access the location services. After successful connection, the map will be displayed. The default mode is teleport mode. You can drag the pin on the map or typing directly into the search bar. After you select the location and hit the Move Here button, you can change location with 1 click. See, you are done. The location on iPhone 15 has been changed instantly. Okay, that's all about how to spoof location on iOS 17. If you enjoy our video, please like and share.